video is going to be a little different, but I thought it would be super fun to do with you guys. So I just got a huge box from Gel Press and some companies that we are doing some kind of collaborations with, and I thought it would be super fun to open the box here with you guys. I've never done like an unboxing kind of video here, so I thought it would be super fun for you guys to join with me as I figure out what the heck is in this box. It is 17 pounds worth of art supplies, so I just thought it'd be fun. Let's see what all's in it. I've cut it open, but I haven't actually opened it. I've just like sliced the tape. So let's see if I'm not supposed to be picking this stuff up, but anyway. So this is the box. So let's have fun and see what's in it. Bubble wrap. Yes. Super fun. Ooh. So one of the companies that we are doing some stuff with is a company called Royal Talent, and they do just tons of different paints and markers and papers and all sorts of cool things. So I think that's what's here on top. So I've got some cool fine liners. I've got some Botanicals Eco-Line brush pens, some watercolors, if we're going to be fancy, some soft pastels. Y'all, this box is not in. Okay. 30 sheets. It's a little journal there. Some acrylic paint, some thick day. Oh, there's another one in there. It's kind of stuck up in there. Let's see. Oh, I forgot. So some of this I did get to pick out what was in it, and other stuff was just kind of sent to us. So this obviously is mine. So this is from a company called Brutus Monroe. He's been around for quite a while. Like I heard about him probably way before I even started with Gel Press, and so I thought this would be super fun. So it is his shrink film, so I thought it would be super fun to see what kind of cool things I could gel press and make with that. And then I also got some of his spray inks because I thought, why not? That would be fun. So I got, he calls them Chroma Mists. So this one is called Bumblebee Yellow. And then I also got Magenta Sparkle, If I Was a My Little Pony, right? And what's the other color? Cobalt Blue. So I thought those were kind of, you know, they fit in my wheelhouse. And then I also picked out this really cool Alabaster White pigment ink, because finding a white pigment ink is super hard. So I thought this would be really fun to try and see how white it is. And then, y'all, you're going to be surprised. I went out of my comfort zone when I picked these colors. So this is his, what they call Velveteen Glaze. And I got 3 colors that I never usually use. Can you, oh, let me turn it that way. So this one is Dijon. This one is Mushroom. And this one is Cherry Tomato. Apparently, I needed to make a sandwich or pizza when I picked these out. But they were definitely out of my wheelhouse. I just thought it would be fun to try something different. And then I did pick out this one little stamp that I thought was cute. It says Spread Your Wings. But it has this butterfly, but it's kind of done in like a geometric kind of pattern. I thought that would be great in the margins of a journaling Bible. I thought it was the perfect size. So that is some yummy stuff from Brutus Monroe. And more bubble wrap. Yay. Gonna throw that over there. Keep that safe. Alright, what else is in here? I have no idea. Let's see. Oh, yay. Okay, so this is from a company, again, has my name on it, spelled wrong, but that's okay. We'll forgive them. This is from a company called Carabel Studios. They are someone that we partnered with in the past, but these are some of the best texture plates that I've ever used, and I just think they're great. They're super intricate. So, and these are ones I did get to pick out. And so I forgot about them. I forgot what I picked out because it was a while ago. All right, so I picked out because y'all know how I like a good honeycomb, and all these little yummy textures right here, you can see in that. So that is going to be super fun to use. They actually call this one a stamp. And I'm going to have to look up the difference between a stamp and a texture plate, because I don't know what the difference is. This is a stamp set that I absolutely loved. This geometric, but kind of has the words and is kind of messy. And these are stamps as well. And then the texture plates I picked out, or this one is called, well, y'all, it's French. I don't know what it says, but it's this. But I thought it was kind of cool, and it's one of the ones we did in partnership with them, so it's made special size for some gel plates. And then this one is, I don't know why I keep looking for a name like I'm gonna know what it says. So there's this one, which I thought, again, cool. You know, guys know I like really messy, grungy kind of thing, and you can see it looks like that. And then here's the other texture plate I picked out, and this one is super cool. This one is actually designed by someone on Gel Press's creative team named Anna Bondu, and I am so southern that I probably completely, there's some probably beautiful French way of saying her name, like Anna Bondu, I don't know. But she designed this one off. I think she designed, I feel like she designed something else. Oh, maybe not. Oh yeah, she actually designed this stamp set and this texture plate. So I thought it would be super fun to give some love to our fellow creative. And then I got a couple of their stencils, which they call, I believe, masks or stencils. I don't know. But I got this one because, I mean, who doesn't love a big thing of bubbles? And then I also got this one, which I thought was really cool. Funny enough, it says bubbles. But I like how it was long and skinny, and I thought it would be great for using with my Faith Impressions plates for margin decorating and that kind of stuff. So that was what I picked. So that is all my stuff from Carabelle, I think. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. We'll find out when we keep digging. Y'all, I'm not even halfway through this box yet. So I'm going to throw some stuff down there. All right. So this is some Amsterdam acrylic markers. So those are fun. I always love to try new acrylic markers because it's so hard to get ones that don't gunk up and will write over paint and let you layer. So I'm super excited to try those. This is, so it says this, and it looks like you're trying to say gouache or something, but it's called gouache. And from my recollection, what little bit I know of it, it's similar to an acrylic paint in the way you use it, but it's more transparent like a watercolor, so it allows you to layer. Here, we'll just read the back of it real quick. Let's learn together, shall we? So, creative art makes it easy to capture your creative ideas. Gouache is an opaque matte opaque matte paint with a refreshing color intensity. It makes it ideal for mixing wonderful colors. You can thin it with water and paint areas without leaving lines. It dries quickly and you can easily apply different colors on top of one another. I still don't know what that means. If you guys have a good video, or if you use gouache and you have some tutorials, leave them down in the comments and teach me a little something. All right, let's see. Oh, this is a good one. Oh, figure it out. Oh, that's awesome. So this is what they call their acrylic ink lettering set. So it looks like this. They're kind of wobbling around in there. That's super cool. So it looks like there is titanium white, neutral gray, oxide black, silver, light gold, and deep gold. So it's made for brushes, dip pens, technical pens, and airbrushes. So it is, looks like it's like a liquid ink. So here, let's just read. It says, Amsterdam Acrylic Ink is available in 56 brilliant colors. All colors are highly pigmented ink and are extremely light fast. The ink is based on an acrylic resin and is waterproof when dry. Fun to know. Ideal for a wide range of techniques like calligraphy, watercolor, airbrush, and can even be used with technical pens. Amsterdam Acrylic Ink has been specially designed to use them. Amsterdam has been specially designed to use them in combination with Amsterdam acrylic paints, markers, spray paint, and auxiliaries. So that, oh, that metallic, I'm so excited to play with that. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Oh, I forgot. Okay, let's finish up the Amsterdam and then we'll get back. We'll look at the others. Y'all, there's glitter. There's glitter. There's glitter. There's glitter. So this is, it is multi-glitter flakes. It says flakes, but it looks really, really fine. Let's see. What is this goodie? So this, oh, more metallics. Do y'all do, I didn't pick these out, but it's like they know me. I mean, it's like all the shinies, all the fun. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's more. Okay. So this is, so the company Royal Talents, in case you don't know, owns like multiple. So it has Royal Talents Art Creations, Amsterdam, and then Ecoline. So this is the Ecoline, what is it? Liquid watercolors. Ooh, that'll be fun. So this is the primary colors. So it looks like it's a yellow, a red, a blue, a green, and a purple, which we know some of those aren't primaries, but we're going to forgive them because they're really pretty. And then this fancy, y'all, look how fancy this is. So that's cool. Okay, that's the head. I'm almost, not really. Oh, some mixed media watercolor paper there. So that's fun. Oh, there's a bunch of like things in here. So liquid watercolor paper, also from the Ecoline brand. Oh, I forgot about this. Okay, so we also were doing some stuff with Eileen Hull, who has some, I almost said stencils, but that's not right, some die cuts with Sizzix. And so she sent us some super fun of her, look at her cute little face. Look at her cute little face. I've met her. She's one of the nicest people on the planet. But this is, I believe, her journaling die. So she went ahead and pre-cut us some things from some chipboards. That'll be super fun to use that and turn it into some cool DIY journals and stuff. Oh, okay. Now we're on to Art Foamies. So Art Foamies is one of my favorite tools because they're just multi-purpose and they're really intricate and they're foam stamped, so you don't have to worry about messing them up. And did they know who I gave this to? Because look, I know it's supposed to be a book, but I was like, hello, Bible. And then what else do we have? Oh, I love this. Look at this really pretty, it's kind of hard to see in the package, but it's a flower. And then, what is this? And I think it's supposed to be a tulip, I don't know, or hair, depending on which way you look at it. And y'all, I've had this one in my cart numerous times and never bought it. But look how awesome these hexagons are. I mean, for layering and that kind of stuff, that's going to be super fun to play with. And then, last but not least, I got a couple of new gel press things. Not new, but new to me. One of them is a new 8x10 plate, yay. Because if you guys know, I kind of accidentally damaged mine. Let's see if I can grab it real quick. I mean, it's still usable, but it is, gets a little funky sometimes. So I accidentally set something on it for a very long period of time, and it kind of got jankety. So they sent me another one, which is great because now I can use this one for mainly like my inks and my alcohol inks and that kind of stuff, because that's why it's all yellow. And I can save that one and have prettier videos because it won't be all yellow. And then this is one that I haven't had, so I don't know if you guys even know these exist. So this, whoop, so this is the Impressibles, and you know most of them that we've used have been 7x7s, but they make a few that are big 12x12 kind of Impressibles. I'm opposite here. I don't know what to do. So this one is great for making your own scrapbook paper and stuff. This is the Squares and Squares, and I didn't have any of the 12x12 ones, so since they were sending all that other stuff, they went ahead and just sent me this one as well. So that's going to be super fun to play with, along with, I'm just surrounded by awesome coolness, and I just don't know what to do with myself. Alright, so now I'm going to find a place for all of this to live in my studio, and I'm super excited to see what we can make with it. So I'm going to pick a couple of them. I don't know what yet. I'm a little overwhelmed. And play with them for a video for this coming Saturday. So Leave a comment down below if you have a specific thing that you saw that you're interested in seeing how it works with the gel plate or with Bible journaling. Leave those below and we will just have fun playing with all of it. So leave me a comment, let me know which one you want to see, and I'm super excited. And thank you so much to all of our amazing people who have just collaborated with us and willing to just do some amazing and fun things with gel press. So I will see you guys next time.